Hello dear students, you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will define the difference of two sets and symmetric difference of two sets. Then let us start the video. Let A and B be two sets then difference of set A and B is denoted in two different way. First is A minus B, and A minus B is defined as the set of all those elements of A which are not in B. A minus B is set of all those elements of A which are not elements of B, or in set builder form we can write X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Set of all those elements of A which are not in B. It means X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Both conditions must be satisfied simultaneously. Therefore, we have used the word AND here. On the other hand, B minus A is also difference of set A and B, and it is defined as elements of B which are not in A. All those elements of B which are not in A form the set B minus A, and in set builder form we can write B minus A is equal to Y such that Y belongs to B and Y does not belongs to A. Means set of all those elements of B which are in B but not in A. To make it more clear, we use Venn diagram. Suppose this is universal set and this is set A and this is set B. And we know that this region which is common in both is A intersection B. Then those elements are of set A which are not in B will be represented by this shaded region. This shaded region represents A minus B, because elements in this region are only in A, they are not in B, because we have excluded A intersection B from A. The elements of A intersection of B are in both in A as well as in B. Therefore, we have excluded this region. Similarly, B minus A is set of those elements of B which are in B but not in A. Then we have to again exclude A intersection B from B to find B minus A, and this shaded region contains those elements of B which are only in B and not in A. Therefore, this region represents B minus A. The elements in this region are only in B, they are not in A. Therefore, this shaded region represents B minus A. Then it is clear that this shaded region is A minus B and this shaded region is B minus A, and we can see that from Venn diagram we can conclude that A minus B can never be equal to B minus A. It means A minus B and B minus A are disjoint sets. We can say that since they are disjoint sets, therefore intersection of A minus B and B minus A will be a null set. Again, we can see that this shaded region is subset of A. It means A minus B is subset of A. In the same way, you can see that this shaded region is subset of B. B minus A is subset of B. Then this is all about difference of two sets A and B. Now let us come to a new term, symmetric difference of two sets. By symmetric difference of two sets, we mean combination of A minus B and B minus A. It means combination of all the members of A minus B and B minus A forms symmetric difference of two sets, and it is denoted by A delta B, or you can say A delta B is union of A minus B and B minus A. In other words, we can say that A delta B is set of all those elements of A and B which are not common in both, or in other words, it is union of A minus B and B minus A. In set builder form, we can write it is set of all those element X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, or X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. In Venn diagram, this whole shaded region in A and in B represents symmetric difference of these two sets A and B, and we can understand it by an example. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then first we will find difference of A and B. A minus B. A minus B is set of all those elements of A which are not in B. Then you can say that, you can see that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are elements of A, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 are elements of B. Then here 5, 6, 7 and here also 5, 6, 7 are common in both. Therefore, it cannot be member of A minus B. Therefore, those elements of A which are not in B are 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is A minus B. Similarly, B minus A, all those elements of B which are not in A. Once again 5, 6, 7 are in both. Therefore, we have to exclude 5, 6, 7 from B to form B minus A, and we will get 8, 9, 10, 11. This is B minus A, all those elements of B which are only in B and not in A. Now, symmetric difference of A and B. A delta B is union of these two sets as defined here. Therefore, A delta B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thank you.